Hey everyone! Welcome to AGS-TECH Inc., where we're mastering the art of PCB design and assembly. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at how we bring your electronics to life. First up, the heart of our operation, PCB design. Our skilled engineers use cutting-edge software to map out every tiny trace and component, ensuring each design is perfect for performance and reliability. It's a meticulous process, but it's where the magic begins. Once the design is locked in, we shift gears to PCB assembly. Whether it's surface mount technology or thru-hole technology, we've got you covered. Our advanced SMT machines and skilled technicians ensure every component is precisely placed and soldered, creating a flawless final product. But that's not all. Protecting the integrity of our assemblies is crucial. That's why we implement rigorous electrostatic discharge control measures. From ESD-safe workstations to grounding gear, we go above and beyond to safeguard your products from electrostatic damage. Quality control is our top priority. Every PCB undergoes thorough inspections, automated optical, X-ray, and manual visual checks. We don't settle for anything less than perfect, so you can be confident that your products are built to the highest standards. At AGS-TECH Inc., we're not just about making PCBs, we're about innovation, precision, and ensuring your success. Whether you're launching a new product or need a reliable manufacturing partner, we're here to help. Ready to get started? Visit us at www.agstech.net or reach out for personalized support. AGS-TECH Inc., where innovation meets precision. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to help you bring your next project to life with AGS-TECH Inc.